before somebody journeys on down that path, what what do you think they should know, and what's important and what would be valuable before they start that journey?
They should know that it's not for the faint of heart. You know, it's kind of like a hero journey, if you like. To know what your intention is, what do you want to achieve, and not to expect to be able to be like the 100-point scorer first time on the court. You know, because that's one of there's lots of myths and fables and stories of, you know, breakout successes, of course, but it doesn't necessarily mean that if that doesn't happen to you, then you haven't succeeded. So making sure you know what your own expectation is and what are the markers along the way that will give you encouragement to continue. Because it's sort of a marathon, and some people take many, many years to do it, and some people quite quickly.